Struggling with high interest or late fees? Most people get this wrong. They assume all cards are the same. The surprising truth about the CD Simplicity card is that it focuses on simplicity and long-term savings, offering one of the longest 0% APR periods and no late fees ever. Let's break it down. This card offers 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for up to 21 months. Even better, it has no late fees and no penalty APR, making it ideal for anyone who needs flexibility. Unlike most cards, it doesn't offer rewards, but its strength is in minimizing cost and avoiding interest traps. Tips to maximize the CD Simplicity card. 1. Use it for large purchases or balance transfers to take advantage of the long 0% APR period. 2. Keep an eye on your spending. There are no rewards, so the goal is interest-free payments. 3. Pair with a rewards card for everyday purchases if you want points, while keeping your balance transfers interest-free. Who should get this card? People managing debt, looking for long-term interest-free financing, or those worried about missing a payment. Even if you don't have perfect credit, responsible use can give significant financial breathing room. If this review helped you understand the CD Simplicity card, subscribe for more tips on smart credit use, avoiding fees, and saving money. The right card can turn financial stress into flexibility and control.